Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Twitter or X account private. So the first step you simply need to do is to open X app. Then you need to click on the home in the left bottom and click on profile picture on the left top. Then you need to click on settings and support and click on settings and privacy. So once you are on that page, you simply need to click on privacy and safety. So once you are on that page, here you can see different options. You simply need to click on audience and tagging, and here you can see protect your post. You simply need to turn this feature on from here, and here you can see that only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.